everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today I'm sharing something really special. Nipattu, a crunchy, savory snack loved all over South India, especially Karnataka. Actually, it's made out of deep fried, but here's the surprise. I'm making it without deep frying. Yes, you heard it right. Not a single drop of oil. I have tried it and tested this recipe many times, and finally it's perfect to share with you all.
Let's begin. What are the ingredients we require? I have taken 1 cup of rice flour, quarter cup of peanut butter. So it's very easy to make peanut butter. You can make it by yourself. Just grind the roasted peanut until it becomes smooth paste, like liquidy kind of thing. That's it. And salt I have taken for taste. How much you want, that much. Half teaspoon of pepper. I have crushed it. Jeera I have taken 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon I have taken this roasted gram dal. But what I have done is I have just crushed it little bit, not much. Okay, same thing. I have crushed the peanuts also, roasted peanut, 2 tablespoon of. I have taken here 1 teaspoon of curry leaves. I have chopped it to small pieces, and 1 green chili also a fine. You have to chop it finely. So I have taken here hing. This is 1/8 teaspoon. 1/3 cup of peanut curd. This is totally optional. If you don't have peanut curd, you can just add a water. Okay, and I have taken here Knol khol. This is vegetable. If you don't have this vegetable, this also you can totally skip it. So if you don't have Knol khol, you can use chow chow also. That vegetable also you can try that. I have taken here 2 tablespoon of coriander leaves. This is the special ingredient. What is this? You know, this is a rice, but I have grind it in a mixie jar so that it became like a rava. What you had to do is, I will tell you the process. Just wash the rice, normal rice, whatever you have in your house, and just wash and remove from the water and just spread it on the cloth. It shouldn't dry fully, but it should be little wet, but dried out, like outside. Then you had to grind it into not smooth powder, like coarse grind. Then it will become this. Or else you can do one more thing. You just buy idli rava, because I am not using here semolina. That is not at all good for our body. That's why I am totally skipping that one. I am adding this one. I am substituting it with this rava. For this, let's grind the first 2 ingredients. These 2. Okay, let's grind it. Half cup of Knol khol and 1/3 cup of peanut curd. See how smooth it is. Now I have grinded into smooth paste. This is ready.
First, take a bowl and add rice flour. Now, this is the most important step. Don't miss it. Just wash carefully. The next ingredient is peanut butter, right? So, you have to add this peanut butter and you have to mix evenly so that peanut butter coats all the rice flour properly. And remember, don't use spoon or spatula. It doesn't give you the right effect. You must mix with your hands evenly like this.
This remaining all ingredients we will add to this. That's it. Everything. Now we will mix this properly. So if you want chili more, you can add spice if you want. Only we have to mix the water and add, but instead of water, what we are doing, I have grinded this, right, smooth paste, curd and Knol khol that we are going to add. See how much it requires, that much you add. Okay, it shouldn't be so thinny. It should be like a thick dough. We have this dough ready, right? This won't be like a chapati dough. This is rice flour, so it will be little different. So it will be like this. Take some amount, good amount of dough in a hand. See, what you had to do is, I have just washed and cleaned this platform already. So take a parchment sheet like this and place it this dough here, and take a rolling pin and you have to roll it. So it will be like this only, but nicely you can do it. Don't worry if the cracker is cracked like this, you can just mold it with the hand, but we want the shape. That's why we have to do in that way. If you have a pressing machine, that in that it will be very neatly, it will come. See, I have rolled it like this way. See, in edging and all, I have just pressed it with hand. And take one mold, any cup. So take it like this, carefully place it here. See, I have taken this tray, I have put the parchment sheet, and we will bake this in an oven. And I will show you on tawa also we can do it. Same thing, take this part and then we can place this on tawa, directly on tawa. What I have done is I have placed that on tawa and I have kept this in low flame. And what you have to do is just place a lid, leave it. It is in low flame. No need to heat the tawa, just place it and switch on the stove, and in a low gas flame you have to cook that. That's it. It should become like reddish on top, like you can make out that seeing itself, and you can check in between. You can come and open the lid and check it. So leave it like 5 minutes and then check it. Okay, then flip it, switch off the stove. That's it. Tawa will be hot. That is enough. That heat is enough for roasting the another side, and that will be ready. So these are ready. So let's place this in an oven, preheated oven.
200 degrees Celsius, and you have to keep it for about 18 to 20 minutes. You have to check in between. Now let's see what happened to the tawa nipattu.
See, reddish color, right? Just flip it and switch off the stove. That's it. It's done. Wow. Isn't it nice? See? Wow. So beautiful. It's done. Can you see it? 19 minutes itself that this Nipattu has done.
I have tasted it, and trust me, it was absolutely awesome, delicious, crunchy, and completely so guilt-free. Share this healthy snack with your friends, family, and enjoy it without any guilt. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Let me know how it turned out for you. So, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Namaste.